Now, but Montana health officials say 21 people have been tested for the virus. Those all came back negative. But the spread of coronavirus has impacted one Helena couple. They've been stuck on a cruise ship for days after an outbreak on board the Grand Princess. At least 21 people on board have the virus. On the phone Tuesday, they told MTN's Evelyn Schultz they're hoping they can leave the ship within the next day.
It hasn't been bad. I mean, we have a balcony room, and so we can get outside and get some fresh air.
This is the room where Helen and Gary Curtis have been in isolation since Thursday on board the Grand Princess cruise ship.
The Princess has been working really hard to keep us, busy and happy. Have to give kudos to them. They've done very well.
They boarded the ship in San Francisco on February 21st, headed for Hawaii, then Mexico. When they left Hawaii, the ship's journey was diverted to California. At first, they didn't know why.
They were concerned that then some of the staff were ill. They hadn't been tested at that point. And so then on Thursday, they had been tested by Thursday and then had everybody just stay in their rooms.
Eventually, passengers learned about the outbreak on board. Monday, the ship finally docked near San Francisco. Helen's video shows the ship under the Golden Gate Bridge.
Kind of emotional, the fact that we had been going around in circles outside of San Francisco for 3 or 4 days, and we went under the bridge, and everybody was just cheering that it was a good sign that something was happening, that we were feeding on with whatever was going to happen to us.
Neither Helen nor Gary has showed any symptoms. As Helen understands it, once they're on dry land, the couple is headed to a military base for a 14-day quarantine where they'll be tested. Only then will they be on their way home.
It wasn't our fault. It wasn't their fault. It just happened.